by the way, if there's a lot of background sound, that's because it's raining heavily. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Please do watch the entire video and have fun. Hi guys, so we are in Mahad market and we came to buy flowers for tomorrow's attam, that is flower rangoli, and we also came to buy some other stuff like vegetables and all of that. So yeah, that's it. That's the update. We'll see you. Please stand. Camera കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലേടോ നമ്മള് ഫോണൊന്നും കണ്ടിട്ടില്ല. ചക്കരി ചക്കരി ചക്കരി. Happy Sunday. Today is the day we are celebrating Onam. Okay, today is the day we are celebrating Onam. Right now, my sister, my brother, and I we are making the flower rangoli. That is attam. And my extended family has come to Mahad from Pune. So yeah, that's the update. Okay guys, so we are doing the attam in our terrace because in Mahad it starts raining all of a sudden out of the blue and all our efforts just go in vain. So we decided we'll do it inside this time and hence we're doing it here. Okay, this is just a clip of me being super excited of wearing a settimundam for the first time. Basically, settimundam is a sari. And here we are all trying to gather everyone to click pictures. After the pictures were clicked, the sadhya was served. Most of us changed and then had sadhya. Yeah, so this is a clip of everyone eating and enjoying the meal. Hello, we are going to the waterfall now. Yay!
I have to.
Hey, yaar, ended it. Pinne edukka. Hey guys, thank you for watching. I forgot to do the outro of this video, so I'm doing it right now and I'm editing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please do like, share, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you soon. Bye.